This video will present a UX portfolio template page and give you a sense of the main components that you should think about putting inside of your template. Each of these pages would be a single project, and you could have multiple of these for your entire portfolio. So to start, give your project a descriptive name. And in the overview for the project, there are a number of elements that can help provide context for it. The first would be the purpose of the project. Why did you do this project? How did you go about solving this problem? Give a sense of when this project took place and its dates. Who did you work with on this project? And what was your specific role within this team? And then add any links that can point to external resources relevant to this project. If it's an actual finished product, that could be a link to the product website. Next, and really the most critical part, is a description of your UX process. And here we're following the main user-centered design process organizational structure. First, talking about your research approach. So what kind of user analysis did you do? Did you look at competitors? Did you look at published research and conduct a literature review? You can put any of your insights from this process in this section. Then, after research, we would move into the ideation phase. So here, list what type of brainstorming process your team used to address this problem. And you can also list out any examples of design sketches that you came up with during these brainstorming sessions. Next, we have the prototyping phase. Here you can describe the different prototypes that your team worked on, starting from your low fidelity prototypes and moving into your higher fidelity and finally your finished product. And definitely describe the tools that you used as you worked through these prototypes. And for anything that's linked to an external web resource, make sure to link it here. Finally, you would complete your UX process with an evaluation, and here describe how you validated the final solution that you came up with. To provide additional context for your process, add images that describe what you did. You could add an image of the initial system that you were working on, especially if that was a redesign, and then add your preliminary sketches and low and high fidelity examples of your prototypes. Finally, when you're done with your portfolio template page, give it some additional perspective and emphasis by adding contrasting colors, making sure it's clear that your writing is concise and doesn't have any typos in it, and put everything together in a way that projects strong design in this template.